Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to replace an irrigation head when somebody has run over it with the car. So this is how it looked. I had this thing on the top and this part was popped out, so it obviously this part broke off. It was exactly at the moment when somebody drive on our driveway. It was probably like this. It's hard to say how it exactly was. So this part broke off, and I think there was also a part in the middle which I didn't find anymore. So you basically have two possibilities. You have to replace the whole head, which is this, or you can replace the upper part, which I'm doing now. And I hoped that the lower part, where you see this with the thread, is hopefully still okay and in place. I'm not sure, but I will try, because it's much less digging when you can do this like this. Just replace the upper part. When you have to replace the whole thing, you have to dig down much more deep, because you can't just take it out. Like, you have to turn it counterclockwise, and when you pull it out, a lot of dirt will go into the thread, and so you can't do it just from here. You would have to dig down quite a lot. So okay, now I'm trying to replace this part. I replace as much as I can, of course, also the spring, and I will try to clean a little bit of dirt inside, not too much, but here there is you see a strainer, and you don't want to have it full of dirt already at the beginning. So I'm trying to clean that, and then I start replacing. Can't exactly remember where the dirt came from. Maybe it would be an option to have it running for a short time, then it fills with water and everything comes out, all the dirt. But if it's too much water, all the dirt outside can go in. So I'm taking a screwdriver and try to get any dirt, bigger parts out of it. Doesn't look too bad. And I have also brought a little bit of water. Maybe I can rinse it a little bit, but water is not so good usually. You can cause a mess. You have to be careful. So hopefully that was not too bad. So it looks quite clean now. I think not too much dirt is left in it. So I opened the new thing. So when you buy this, you have to check on the top. Usually you have the name, you see. Both are Rainbird 1800. So I hope I bought the right stuff. I have really no experience with this. So I take this out. So it looks really similar to this. So obviously, when you see the length, there is it's pretty much same length. There's not much in between. I don't know how it really broke off, but it doesn't really fit. So there's really just a small part which is missing. Okay, so let's put this back in place and secure it again. Okay, doesn't look too bad. So the good thing in this case was the donut that probably saved me from a major repair. Yeah, the guy who did that, he told me usually newer installations are done without the donuts, but he insisted of using the donut because you have much trouble when cars, yeah, especially in this case, when cars drive over it when you have it running. So now I will try and see how it does, how it works. So it has definitely still the wrong angle. I mean, you see these small things here. They go, this is 1800, probably says 180 degrees, I don't know. So this is spraying 180 degrees, but it should actually spray to this direction, but it's this direction. So, but I think I can only change it while it's running. So yeah, I'll start it now anyway. Okay, here I have the possibility to test a manual station. This is station 3. Okay, we go to 3 and then long press here, and then we see what happens. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. At least the head is not popping out anymore, and it's just going to the side, and so I can correct probably. So at least the guy told me I can just turn it around. Maybe I have to, oh, that's strange. Okay, maybe I have to stop and then I can do that, because it seems at the moment it's not possible, or at least I need a screwdriver. So it looks like I can really turn it with the screwdriver like this. Yeah, you see, I can easily change the direction. I have no idea if I can change the like how far that it goes and how much water there will be. It looks like a little bit different than the thing on the other side. So maybe I can check some instructions. This one look a little bit different for some reason. This sprays much more, but at the moment I have no clue, so I will have to check the instructions. But it's not bad, at least it's working. I just maybe have to optimize, put everything back, the donut and grass and everything. So yeah, here obviously we have some kind of description on the sprinkler head itself. So it says it has two possibilities to adjust: distance with the screwdriver on top and direction. So yeah, the thing is, I tried to yeah, turn the direction here once again. Yeah, it was possible, but also the screwdriver, when I moved, when I turned the screw from left to right, it didn't adjust this distance. It did just the direction, or the angle. I mean, yeah, the direction. So I was not able to adjust the distance, but maybe I'll check another video. You have to check another video, but at least you know how to replace the head, so you don't have to replace the whole head, just a part of it, and it should save some time and work. So obviously I think this is successful, and I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.